iliac crest. The iliac crest is the superior border of the wing of ilium and the superlateral margin of the greater pelvis. So it is located here. The iliac crest stretches posteriorly from the area superior iliac spine or ACES to the posterior superior iliac spine. So it will be from here. It stretches from here until here. Okay. So the anterior ACES or the anterior superior iliac spine is a bony projection of the iliac bone and an important landmark of the surface anatomy. ACES or the anterior superior iliac spine is a bony projection of the iliac bone and an important landmark of the surface anatomy. So it is located around here. I'm going to mark that. So the posterior superior iliac spine is a projection of the posterior end of the iliac crest. So since this is the iliac crest, you just have to locate it here, and there will be this two dimple here. Feel it there. The ischial tuberosities, or are also known as the sit bones, are located by palpating in this region of the glutes. And yes, this will be the bone here. The greater trochanter. Greater trochanter is a large projection on the proximal part of the femur that serves for muscle attachments, and this can be located by running the palm of your hand here and by making your model rotate their leg. So it will be located here. Here. So the lesser trochanter is a small protuberance of bone that projects from the posterior aspect of the femur. So this is where the greater trochanter is. The lesser trochanter will be located in this side. So there. The inguinal ligament is a band running from the pubic tubercle to the anterior iliac spine. So the pubic tubercle is located around here, running from the iliac, which is the anterior iliac spine, which is located here. So it's a ligament running from here, here, here. So it's like that. Medial femoral epicondyle is a bony protrusion located on the medial side of the bone's distal end. So that will be located here. So we're gonna mark that. So it will be here. Mark that. And the lateral femoral epicondyle is smaller and less prominent than the medial epicondyle, and gives attachment to the fibular collateral ligament of the knee joint. So that will be located on the opposite side, of course. Here. So the medial tibial condyle is the upper surface of the right tibia. So here, there. And the lateral tibial condyle is the lateral portion of the upper extremity of tibia, which is located here. And the patella is a thick circular triangular bone which articulates with the femur or the thigh bone, which is this bit. That's the patella. Okay. Tibial tuberosity is a large oblong elevation on the proximal anterior aspect of the tibia, which is here. Okay, cut mo ulit. So the lateral malleolus is the prominence on the outer side of the ankle formed by the lower end of the fibula, which is located here. There. And the medial malleolus of the ankle joint is the prominence on the inner side of the ankle formed by the lower end of the tibia. So tibia's here. So there. Okay. Ito ulit. Calcaneus, also called as the heel bone, is a large bone that forms the foundation of the rear part of the foot. So that's here. The talus is the bone that makes up the lower part of the ankle joint, the tibia, and the fibula. The cuboid is the bone that makes up the lower part of the ankle joint, the tibia and the fibula bones of the lower leg, making up the upper part of the ankle joint. And that is located here. The navicular, a boat-shaped bone in the ankle or wrist, especially that in the ankle. So that's located somewhere here. And the metatarsal are a group of 5 long bones in the foot. So that is this. And finally, the phalanges are a group of 5 long bones in the foot, which are these bones.